guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first video in my Halloween series. So my Halloween series is basically going to be a bunch of Halloween looks using makeup, some costumes, and maybe some like challenges and other things. That's mainly what it's going to consist of. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing a look that I found off Milk's Instagram. So I have a face chart and it's like this creepy clown. I'm going to insert it here. So I'm going to be recreating that and putting a little bit of my own like twist on that. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So as you guys can tell, I already have the base of my makeup on, so I just did my skin makeup and my eyebrows, and everything else I'm going to be doing and talking you guys through. So for eyes, I started off with the Modern Renaissance palette. For the base of my eye look, I used the shade Tempura. For the base and crease color, I used the shade Red Ochre. With the red shade, I am blending it up in the crease and making sure to blend it down in my inner corner for a smoky look. I am also making sure to smoke out the outer corner of the eye with that same shade to keep the smoky effect going. And then I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps onto my other eye. Next, I'm taking the Prism palette. And next I'm going to be taking the shade Pyramid, even though in the video I think I pointed to the shade Eternal, but yeah, Pyramid. Then I'm going to go back into Red Ochre and blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm going back into the Prism palette and taking the shade Obsidian and smoking it out on my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a Clinique Cream eyeliner and outlining my waterline and tightline. Next I'm taking my NYX Epic liner and lining my lash line. And then with the L'Oreal Infallible Sculpt Eyeliner, I'm going to be adding the details under my eyes. Going back to Red Ochre, I'm just shading around the details under my eyes. Now I'm taking the NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Vintage and further shading around my eyes to start the effect of blood dripping. And with that same liquid lipstick, I'm going to begin to outline the shape of the nose onto my nose. And then I'm yet again going into the shade Red Ochre and using that to contour around the shape of my nose. And then to begin the split lip effect, I'm going to be grabbing some liquid latex. Now I'm just going to be layering the liquid latex and toilet paper and blow drying it in between layers until I feel that I have a steady base for the split lips. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation and applying it over the liquid latex to make it look more skin-like. And now I'm taking mini scissors to begin to cut the slits at the side of my lips. Now I'm just grabbing a black liner and outlining my lips and outlining the edges where the liquid latex is. Now I'm going back in with the shade Obsidian from the Prism palette and darkening up the lines I just made. Now to begin to create the effect of blood, I'm just taking a red Halloween face paint and filling in where I did this slit for the lips. With that same paint, I just decided to start doing the effects of dripping blood around my mouth and under my eyes. To create a bruise-like effect, I mixed the shades Bono Fresco and Red Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette and applied it around my lips and my forehead. And for my lips, I'm just using a matte red lipstick from NARS. And I'm just taking some fake blood and applying it to the slits in my lips and anywhere where blood is dripping. And to finish off the look, I just took the Milk Kush mascara and applied it to my lashes. Okay guys, and that was the first completed look for my Halloween series. I hope you guys all like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you do decide to recreate this, make sure to tweet me and send me pictures on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.